Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at these self-sealing bubble pouches. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about these bubble pouches and help you know what you can expect when you get them. Now, these are the bubble pouches right here. You'll notice that they just have a little pocket here on the inside, kind of like an envelope there, and then the bubbles are actually on the outside of the pouch, which I really like a lot to just kind of add a little bit of padding there. Now, if you go ahead and actually just peel that back right there, you can go ahead and fold this down and it will seal just like that, as it does have kind of a sticky adhesive surface underneath. Now, once that's folded down, you'll notice it does just about make a square in size here. They are 7.5 inches by 8 inches, so just about a square here for the bubble pouch. And one thing I really like about these a lot is the fact you get so many here in this set. This is a set of 50 right here. You can see tons and tons of these. These can work for a variety of different purposes. Maybe you're shipping some kind of fragile things and you want to have some added padding in your shipping box or something like that. You could go ahead and use these. You've also, maybe you're packing things up and moving. You could also use these to kind of add that extra little bit of padding. You could also even double wrap them if you need for even more padding. I've just been so impressed. They're so versatile, and I would highly, highly recommend these bubble pouches. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.